Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper and friend, today I'm going to show you how you can convert JPG file to PDF. So friend, in this tutorial I'm going to show you 5 methods to convert any JPG file in PDF. So keep watching, here you will learn very advanced things in Windows 11. So friend, you can see this is my Windows 11 PC and here I'm going to show you step by step all the things. So keep watching. So friend, this is my sample JPG file. Let's see. So friend, this is my sample JPG file, and first method we are going to use Photos application in Windows 11. So when I open this JPG file, then you can see this is the default application is open now, and here we will convert this JPG file as a PDF, right? So simply click on this 3-dot icon and then click on this print button. So friend, here you will get many options. Printer option, you simply click here. So you will get many options over here. So this is the default option in Windows 11 or 10. So you will get Microsoft Print to PDF. Simply select that and then click on this print button, which is available over here. Okay, so you can easily do that. You simply click on this button and select the location where you want to save it. So we are going to create a PDF folder and then type 1 and then click on this save button. So friend, you can see this file is converted as a PDF. Let's see how our PDF is looking. So we are going to close this application, and this is my PDF folder which I have created on desktop, and here you will see this is my first method, that's why I save as a 1. Okay, so let's open it. So friend, here you can see my PDF file is created over here. So friend, now we are going to see the second method to do that. So second method, that is also free application, you can use it, and I hope you are regularly using that option. Okay, so we are going to close it and let's open the Chrome browser. Chrome browser is very high performance browser and I hope you are using daily it. So we are going to simply select and drag it into our browser. So here you can see this image is open now, and this is very high quality image is available now, and we are going to convert it as a PDF, right? So what you will do, simply click on this 3-dot icon which is available on right hand top. So we are going to click it. You will get many options, but we are looking for print. So again click on this print option, and friend, whenever you click here, then you will get these options, right? You simply click this portrait to landscape, so this page will fit. So here you can see that, and click on this more option, and we want to hide the header and footer, so this image will look good. Margin none, so what happened, that margin will remove, and here you can select or any things you can do that as per your requirement. And now you can see all things are done, and here you will see, friend, this option. Again I clicking over here and you will see these are some options. You can also select save as a PDF and then simply click on this save button and save it on your location. So this is my second method, that's why I'm going to type 2 and save it. So friend, we are going to close this one and let's see that PDF is saved or not. So here we are going to open this PDF, and here we are getting second option, second PDF, and you can see that high quality PDF is saved now. Okay, so friend, this is the second method where you can easily convert your JPG file as a PDF. And now we are going to follow third method to convert JPG to PDF, right? So we are going to close it, and now I'm going to show you the third method, which is very common method, but I want to share with you guys so you will get all the methods I want to share with you, so you will learn very advanced method and you can use any method which you like. Okay, so I want to share with you more and more options which can help you. So now we are going to open convert.io. This is very good website where you can do many things. Okay, so here we are going to click on this converter, and now we are going to select choose file, and here we are going to select that file and click open. So here my file is uploaded now, and click on this drop down button, and here we want a PDF, right? So click on this document and then select PDF, and now you can see all things are done. Just simply click on this convert, so your file will upload and converting process will start. So let's see that. So when I click over here, you can see my uploading process is going on. So my file is uploaded, and now you can see converting process is done, and here I'm getting this download button. We simply click on that, so my file is going to download over here, which is showing over here. So when it will download, then we will see the output of that PDF file. Okay, so let's open, and we are going to rename it first so we get the perfect idea about it. Let's cut and paste in our folder. So this is my third method to convert JPG as a PDF. So let's see how it is looking. Simply open it. So friend, now you can see my JPG file is converted as a PDF. Very convenient, and you can use it very easily. Okay, so now friend, I'm going to show you the fourth method, which is very important and you can do it. Okay, so now we are going to close it. Again, we are going to close all the things, and now we are going to showing you the fourth method to convert JPG as a PDF, right? So we are going to open Photoshop. So friend, this is Photoshop application. If you want to convert JPG to PDF, then you can do that, and this is very advanced method to do that. And if you are using Photoshop, you must have the Photoshop application in your system, then you can do that. We are going to open that JPG file which is available on desktop. So this is my sample file. We are going to open it, and now you can see friends, this is very high quality image is showing over here, and Photoshop is very advanced software to editing image and all things you can do over here, very advanced level. So right now we are going to convert it as a PDF. So simply click on this file tab which is available on left top, and here we are going to click on this save as button. Okay, so here you will see these are the options available in Photoshop. Okay, so right now we are going to select that folder, and here we are going to find out the PDF option. So let's find out it, and here you will see Photoshop PDF option, PDF and PTP. You simply select that, and now we are going to type 4. So we get the idea, this is the fourth method. Okay, you simply click on this save button, and now you can see my PDF is saved. Now you simply select all the things as per your requirement, and now you can see that my PDF is saving by this way. So now my PDF is saved, and let's see that fourth option of the PDF option. Okay, so now friend, you can see my fourth option, high quality PDF, is showing over here, the fifth method to convert JPG as a PDF. So friend, let's see how we can do that. So friend, this is my sample PDF, and now I'm going to open it. You simply select this file, and do the right click on that. So friend, you will see many options are available. You simply hover the mouse on open with, and now we are going to open this file in MS Paint. So friend, you can see my JPG file is open into my MS Paint, and now here you can see this is my JPG file which is open in MS Paint. And now you cannot see the file because this is very large image. Okay, so here we are going to little bit zoom out, so you will see that image very easily. So this is my image which is open in MS Paint, and now we are going to convert this image as a PDF. Simply click on this file tab which is available on left hand top, and then here you will get this print option, or here you will see this save as option, right? But we want to click on this print option. You simply click on this print, and now you will see these are the options. Okay, and then here you can see this is the portrait option, but we required in landscape, so this file will convert as a landscape. You simply click on this print button, and here you can see that file is converted as a PDF. It is asking for name, so we are going to select our folder and type 5, and then click on this save button. So now you can see this process is done now, and I hope my PDF is converted. Let's see how that file is showing. Simply going to open this file PDF. Okay, so friend, now you can see my PDF file is open now. Okay, and with very high quality PDF is converted by MS Paint. So friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can easily convert your JPG file as a PDF. This is my updated tutorial which right now I'm going to update for you, and I hope friend you like this video. If you like this video, then click on like button, and coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me, and we will meet in next video. Stay tuned.